Hi everyone, my name is Daniel Lima. I'm CDO and International Sales for Magna Audio. Magna is a Brazilian company. We do high performance loudspeakers and amplifiers, and we try to build unique stuff with very different materials, from aluminum to natural stones. And now we are introducing our concrete series, the Brutalist. So we also try to integrate lighting and provide several finishes for designer architects. So our products can be integrated in the ambience.
And then what do we have behind us?
Huh?
Do you want to show us?
Okay, for sure. So here we have our landscape series, the Poly series. They are outdoor rated, aluminum made, and we make them in 9 finishes. This is the one in black. Also, we have here the array lines from Magna Array or Outline. They're really powerful speakers with 480 watts, the big one. In addition, we have the Aura series that we have here, a new finish called Argenta. Argenta is a polished, handmade aluminum that makes the speakers look like a mirror. And we have also a subwoofer version that is our S10300. Finishing here, we got our Rock series. We also have subwoofers, and this is the floor standing. Very beautiful, very powerful speaker too. And you can reach us in magnaaudio.com or follow us on Instagram. It's Magna Audio Official. Thank you.